Apple has announced the release of a brand new iPad Air with an M3 chip and Apple Intelligence. It was reported that the tech giant announced the gadget launch, which is expected to be twice as fast as its predecessor, M1 iPad Air, which was released in 2022. Apple CEO Tim Cook teased the launch of the new product on March 3rd, with many speculating that it will be the M4 chip MacBook Air instead of iPad Air. Here are some of the features to look out for in M3 iPad Air. The M3 iPad Air is equipped with iPad OS 18, which supports Apple Intelligence features including Image Playground, writing tools with ChatGPT integration, Type to Siri, and Genmoji creation. Additionally, the device would also have photo and graphics editing tools like the Cleanup tool in Photos and Image Wand in the Notes app that will work with the Apple Pencil. The M3 iPad Air will be coming in 11-inch and 13-inch versions with metallic pink, yellow, blue, and silver finishing. The 11-inch and 13-inch electronic device with Wi-Fi are priced at $599 and $799 respectively. They come with 128GB, 256GB, 512GB, and 1 TB data options. The M3 iPad Air pre-orders started from March 3rd, with the devices being available for users on March 12, 2025.